Whoa, what up, what's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, today we're going to take a look at the Nike Air Max 97 NRG out of the jacket pack. Now, opening the box, you got the white paper, but that ain't what we're here for. Here it is. The Air Max 97 NRG jacket pack. Now, looking at these shoes, it has a combination of a bunch of different jackets. If you look closer, you'll know what I'm talking about. But in the meantime, let's just check out the kicks, man. On the back, you see you have your pull tab in like, let me see, what color is it? Mid team red. That's what they say. But you know how they do with the colors, man. So it is what it is. Looking at the bottom, you got the all black outsole. On the side, you see you got the different patterns of different plaid jackets. Like you, hey man, look, it's hard for me to describe it. You know what I mean? I'm just giving y'all the visuals, man. And make sure y'all stay tuned too, man, because I'm gonna do an on foot at the end. I ain't got no jeans on, I got some shorts on. I know they probably gonna flame me in the comments, but it ain't about none of that, man. Talk about these kicks, man. Y'all be coming in the comments with all this, the irrelevant, cut your nails, man, all that. Like, what do that matter, man? Like, I'm showing you some shoes, man. You know what I'm saying? Why are you worried about another man's fingernails or his hands or... You know what I'm saying? It'd be different if I'd have made the video entitled it, yo, check out my hands. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, look at the insole. You see you got the plaid pattern on the insoles, man. I got thrown off for a minute, excuse me, man. On the lace tips, you see you got that same plaid pattern. I don't know if you can see it good on here, but it is what it is, man. Anyway, I think they're a dope shoe, man. You know, let me know in the comments how y'all feel about them, man. If you feeling them or not. You know what I'm saying? Here's a better look at them. You know, I mean, I think it's dope. You know what I'm saying? I wish I would have had on some jeans so I could have gave y'all a little bit of a better view of the shoes, you know, with some jeans on, you know. So around here at the Ave, man, look, we like to do it raw. It is what it is, you know what I'm saying, man? Look. I'm gonna lay up here and I'm gonna put these things on, man, and you know, y'all go ahead and make your decision from there, man. You know, so it is what it is, man. That was my look at the Nike Air Max 97 NRG jacket pack. Now, again, I think they dope. Let me know in the comments how y'all feel, man. Y'all go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAir504. Let's get into this on foot, and I'ma holler back.